Laura here, welcome to my channel. Today is like a talking day, all right thing. So yeah, I'm gonna be recording in my desk now because if I walk around, my mom's gonna say, "What are you doing?" So yeah, I don't want to walk around that much because I'm tired. I've been um you heard about Brian's video and I saw it too. So yeah, it says not on not awesome day. I'll put it in the description below of the video and his channel. So yes, subscribe to Bryan Vasquez and my channel. Bryan Vasquez and Bryan Vasquez channel and my channel. If you're watching this, you're awesome. Yeah. I just wanted to do a talking vlog, and plus I'm gonna do some fidget spinner tricks. So yeah, let me just bring my fidget spinner. Okay, here it is. All right, fidget spinner tricks. So I'm gonna do some tricks like that and that. So yeah, this first one is easy. It's just holding it. So yeah, sorry, it's because this thing won't concentrate. All right, move the camera back up. Okay. Oh my gosh, why? Stupid thing. So rusty. So this one is super easy. You just hold it. And yes, you just need to hold it like that. It's really simple. But this next one is like this. Really easy too. This one's not rusty no more. It's really fast. I'm gonna go tell Brian I fixed it. Again, it's not rusty. You can't hear it rusty. You don't, huh? You don't feel it like that? No, not anymore. So this is the next trick. This next one is when this one's a little hard. So yeah. Oh shoot, see guys, it's a little hard. Okay, it's fixed back. Okay, this one I already said it to you. It's hard, a little hard. This one's like a medium hard. Sweet, it's your middle finger. So yeah, that one's hard. That one's a little hard. Okay, this next one. Let's do this. I think this is super hard. David! Get out of my video. David! Go sit. Okay. David! So yeah. Okay, go over there. What you doing, mommy? Here. Okay, then go over there. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. This next one is the pinky one. This is realistic. Go. Okay, now it's locked. So yeah, I'm just doing tricks, and then this one is it's not hard at all. It's two fingers like this. Two fingers like this. You know what I mean? So she's coming back, so yep. Hope you guys enjoy, and I am sorry that I'm not doing gaming videos because it doesn't work, and I'm working on my vlogs. I'm not working at other things, But I'm trying my best. And one time when I recorded, it didn't let me record. So yeah, I'm just doing some awesome tricks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my channel and Bryan Vasquez channel. And yeah, see y'all next week. Peace.